Hi, Andres here, and this is the chapter 0.3, which is create and run new Android project. This is actually the last lesson in chapter 0, so starting from the next lesson we will already do something else. It will be some simple coding, but let's stay here and actually create the new Android project. So what we have here is our welcome page in Android Studio. You already know it. Last time we tried Virtual Device Manager, and today we're going to press this nice shiny button, which is create new project. After you press this button, Android Studio asks you to choose some template. So first of all, here there are different device types like phone and tablet, Wear OS, Android TV, and automotive. We will stay with phone and tablet, and for phone and tablet there are sub templates. So here are actually quite some templates, and it's written here: no activity, basic activity material 0.3, etc. So later we will learn what actually activity is, but for now I would choose this template, and after we press next we need to set some important information, of course. So first of all, the application name, I will call it my first Android app, and here is the package name. This is a unique identifier which identifies your app on the Google Play Store, third-party Play Stores, and Android device itself. So package name is also important. This one should be unique. Location and minimum SDK. So by default, you see this info message here. Your app will run on approximately 98.8% of devices, which I think is enough, more than enough. So if we, for instance, downgrade it to API 16, so it's already 100% of device, but maintenance effort will increase exponentially. So you will have constant headache, constant time-consuming, challenging tasks in order to be able to support those devices. And as you can see, it's only 1.2%, which I guess doesn't worth it. So now we can finally press finish button and start our first Android project. And now you can see your very first Android project. Our goal today is to try to run it, so we will not go through the project, through every file, through every package, every resource. We will learn it a little bit later. So here just some useful controls in Android Studio. Here you can see progress bar, and it's written Gradle configure projects. So this means that our project now is configuring. Gradle, this is dependency build system. This is not only dependency, just build system for Android. So now everything is configuring automatically, downloading some data, which means that you basically need to have stable internet connection to be able to make this first build. After this first build, which is quite long. Every next build will be way faster. So we have to wait a little bit. So Gradle project sync is finished. As you can see, our code editor field or page was changed. We have some syntax, some words are highlighted. Yeah, we don't go deeper now to understand what each line is doing, but this is actually the code editor page where you will spend most of the time when you develop Android application. So now we can try to install our Android application and see how it looks like. So in order to do that, we need to choose the device which should be used for testing our Android app. So I have my devices, and I have also device which we created last time, and physical Samsung device which I also set it up last time together with you. So we will choose this one, and in order to start Android project we just need to press this play button here, and here we go. Building is started. If you press this build tab, you can see all of the commands and what's going on, but yeah, we'll also go into this a little bit later. So this is our app. It's actually pretty much simple. It has one next button which switches to the next fragment, let's say next screen, and here is some button which shows the snack bar here, and this is basically it. Our app now is in the list. So sometimes I have problems with emulator. Yeah. So this is our app. I think it's already great. So first task for you will be to try different template. So as you saw before, I chose the template which is called basic activity, and I would like to ask you to try template with tabs. Try to find template with tabs, and you will create your first application which will use tabs, like in Facebook application, like in Instagram, and left your comment in comment section if it did work for you. Again, here is the first task for you, and today I really like to thank you for staying with me, and I hope you liked this 0 chapter, and I hope to see you in the next chapter as well. So see you there. Bye.